About 6 months ago, 8 months ago, I started waking up with severe back pain. My wife and I started visiting doctors. The pain I actually had was in my hip, and it would run down my leg. And we went to a hip doctor, and we had x-rays and CAT scans, but there was no issue with my hip. I had broken a hip earlier and thought that there might be some relation to the former accident. The pain was awful. I get out of bed in the morning, I could hardly walk. But now I got the CAT scan on my back, and the diagnosis came back as spinal stenosis. And in the old days, they used to call that sciatica. The spine doctor wanted to put me through a course of steroids. And if that didn't work, the option was back therapy. Neither of those prescriptions were very appealing. And my good friend, who had the wonderful experience with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, and his wife introduced me to the Hampton Roads hyperbaric and baric oxygen therapy treatment. And I've had now 20 dives in the tank. And after about the 5th dive, I could feel noticeable improvement in my pain. And now after 20, it's almost entirely gone. It's not entirely gone, but I get out of bed, and instead of taking double doses of antiprox sodium, which relieves the inflammation, I've weaned myself now down to the point where I'm taking one 240 tablet a day, and overall I feel terrific by comparison, and now I get around without much difficulty.